elementary school. I want to talk about my dream today. I have many dreams. I like a big country as a president, make non-film like Steven Spielberg. Besides this, I like want to be a baseball player like Chandler Park and a scientist like Einstein. But now, I like to be an actor because I love Will Smith who was starting movies named Man in Black. Bam! He is so handsome and his acting is super. If I'm an actor, I can do anything and able to roll even though it's impossible in real life. And I'll be happy if many people won't recognize me. So I decided to be an actor. To achieve my dream, I think I have many things to do to be an actor. I have studied English and try to remember everything I see. If I will make autographs in order to sign autograph my thing. Would you like to have my side? I try my best to achieve my dream. So please show me up. Maybe I can forget this moment and thank you for this make my dream so far. Have a good time.